Good morning, friends. My name is Ishmanmitra from B.L.J. Central Public School. I study in 4th class. Today I am playing a role of duck. Hello, I am duck. I have shifting beak. My color is white and my beak's color is yellow. I like to eat insects. I have webbed feet. They help me to swim. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all. My name is Raghav. I am from 4th standard. Today I am play the role of parrot. I am a parrot. I have curved beak. I am imitate your sound. I eat fruits. People want to keep me in cage. I don't like it. I want to fly in the sky. My feather color is green. My beak color is red. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. My name is Amrit. I am from B.L.J. Public School from 4th standard. Today I am playing the role of eagle. Hello, friends. I am eagle. I am very strong. I eat flesh of animals. I fly high in the sky. I have piercing and tearing beak. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, friends. My name is Abhishek. I study in Pune. Today my role of parrot. I am parrot. I eat fruit and red chili. I imitate your voice. My feather color is green. My beak color is red. My beak is curved. People who to me Muthuram and Gangaram. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Arjun Kaur. I am from 4th standard. Today I am playing role of sparrow. Hello, I am sparrow. I have crushing beak. I like to eat grains. I sit on your wall. My feathers color is brown and white. I sit on your wall. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello friends, my name is Abra Goyal from 4th Lily class in B.L.J. Public School, Jakhal Mandi. I play role of eagle. Hello, I am eagle. I have a piercing beak. I eat flesh. My color is brown and white. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, friends. I am from B.L.J. Public School. I study in 4th class. Today I am playing the role of hummingbird. Hello, I am hummingbird. I have probing beak. My color is white and brown. I am the smallest bird in the world. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello friends, I am parrot. I have two wings. I eat fruits. My body color is green. My beak color is red. Thank you. Have a nice day.